So, what is a mutual fund? Well, a mutual fund is a portfolio that's usually managed by a financial institution. It is possible for individuals to trade shares of these portfolios, either through the persons or through the companies who are managing the mutual funds. The commissions that are involved with mutual funds are usually significantly higher than the commissions that are charged to trade stocks or bonds. Um, Mutual funds charge periodic management fees, and anybody can trade mutual funds. So let's take a look at some examples. I pulled up Yahoo Finance, um, some random page about mutual funds, and you can see that there are numerous mutual funds available for us to trade. It literally is a portfolio that is put together by a person or a financial institution, and um, we basically buy a share from their portfolio. We become a partner. There are two types of mutual funds: open-ended and closed-end. Open-ended simply means that mutual fund will grow with each individual investor added to the fund, and will shrink with each individual selling from the fund or moving away from the fund. Closed end simply means that the fund mutual fund size will stay constant, and it would just simply will not grow with the incoming investments. Many mutual funds will have front end or front load commissions or end commissions. Um, Basically, just commissions that the mutual fund will charge you to buy into the mutual fund, or commissions that the mutual fund will charge you by leaving or selling the mutual fund. Um, these are in addition to the management fees that they will charge on an annual basis. Um, it's very common. So let's take a look if we can find to see if we have any management fees for any of the mutual funds that we have here. So you see this expense ratio right here. It says 1.31%, 35%. That is usually referred to as the management fee. And whether the market goes up or down, or the mutual fund goes up or down, it doesn't matter. The mutual fund will charge the 1.35% expense ratio. So these are simple portfolios that are traded through the institutions themselves. So a lot of the times, if you wanted to buy into a mutual fund, you have to have an account with the management company, and it may not even be possible to trade them during the day. You could have specific dates, specific times to trade these. The price of the mutual fund may not change like a stock every minute, every hour of the day. They may actually just be fixed at a certain hour of the day. Your brokerage company may or may not carry every mutual fund. Um, they may actually change the listings of what's available through them. And again, the only way to trade some of the mutual funds may be truly just to trade it with the company who's managing them. So let's take a look at the holdings for this mutual fund. This is the International Growth Fund institutional class. You have well, very many different companies from different countries, um, London, Germany, Hong Kong, London, and so on and so forth. So, and these 10 holdings are the 20% of the mutual funds. So this would be a top 20%, top 10 holdings or 20% of total assets for this mutual fund, for this portfolio. Thank you.